Hi everyone, for today's origami tutorial we'll be folding Toro the bull, and for this one you'll actually need a pair of scissors to begin with, so just pause this video and go grab them before continuing. So we're going to start off with a square piece of origami paper and we're going to fold it in half once diagonally and then fold it in half again into a smaller triangle. Cool. And then what we're going to do is, grabbing the pair of scissors that I told you we need, is we're going to cut a slit. So cut to half from the top, like say 1.3 centimeters, but I mean that's more than half though. So, but yeah, make sure it's in the center where you're cutting. That should be enough. Then we're gonna open it up. So then this is how it should look once you open it up. Actually, maybe I could have cut a bit more. Cool. And then begin with starting at the top left and the bottom right one. We're gonna fold the sides in slightly of the squares. Let's try to make sure both sides are equal. And we're just gonna, like this one, roll it up. So you might use like a tiny pencil, but you just need to, like, you can, you know, use my hand, roll it up yourself. Since I don't have anything like super small, like maybe if I get a toothpick, you could like roll this as tightly as possible. And just roll it back and forth and then kind of slightly unroll it again. And like I said, we're gonna fold the sides of the top as well, but the top should be folded in much more. Cool, so this is how it should look. And then what you want to do is actually fold this in half. So find the crease in the center, fold our whole model in half, turn it around, and then what we're going to do is fold this top bit here down slightly. So about this much. And then we're gonna fold these back. So both these sides we're gonna fold down. We're going to do it for the top layer as well, actually. So fold it all down. Like so, and we're going to just twist it around so you can already see the ball shape forming. And then what we want to do is fold these flaps up on the both sides here so it's even thinner. Awesome, so it's like that. And then for the back, we're gonna grab the back and bring it all the way around over the top so it's to the front, and it's going to be slightly tucked in. So then we're gonna just press the model down once we folded it back. Just trying to make sure it's even. Then I think after what we want to do is actually fold this top back as well, but I think I'm going to fold like this a bit up and try to bring it down more. So I'm going to bring this top down a bit more and try and fold it up a bit here so I can tuck this on top like so. So like this it should look like, and kind of just fold it in on itself again so it's tucked in, and this is on top, this part here. So it should look like this sort of, and then fold the back of this backwards. So we're going to fold here so you can't see it, and then as you do that it's going to flip those forward. Like so. Oh, I'm trying to, it's a bit fiddly, so that's why I'm trying to hold it tight. But then what you want to do after is just simply fold these up onto itself. Then you could squash the fold, or you could just leave it like that. In all honesty, that looks fine. And do the same on the other side. So just zoom in a bit for a better look. So here's how it finally looks. I decided to like fold it up and then like press it down the folds and just kind of fix this part here so it was hidden behind. But like, yeah, after a couple like small tweaks, this is how my final product looks, and maybe how your one would look. And then the final thing you could do is like add a small ring or a rubber band loop to the front here to like, you know, look like a ring. And as usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft videos on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.